Hello, my students. How are you doing? I hope you are fine and you are doing well. So, our today's lesson is about weather. This is Unit 2, page 14. I think the word weather is not new. We had it before and we talked about weather when we had directions. We said we have many ways to know the directions. One of these ways is using compass, and we said we can use compass when the weather is cloudy. So you know what is weather? So just to refresh, here we have some words that may just help you in knowing what is weather. So weather, when we describe it, we can say it is sunny, it's rainy, cloudy, stormy, windy, and so on. These words are used to describe the weather. So the weather is the sunshine, the rain, the wind, or the clouds in some place at or in a specific time. So the weather also can be the temperature. Okay, like when you describe the weather, you can say how hot or how cold is it. Like when you feel hot, that means the temperature is very high, and when you feel cold, that means the temperature is very low. So the temperature means how hot or how cold it feels. Okay, so here we have a very important thing about weather is that weather can change from day to day and from time to time, and it changes from place to another place, which means weather changes in a short period of time. It does not stay the same for a long time, and it does not stay the same in different places. Let's have an example. In the left side, you can see four different pictures that show four different places. The first place is snowy, while the second one is rainy, the third one is windy, and the last one is sunny. So weather can change from day to day, as you see here. In different times, weather can change, and in different places also weather can change. Okay, so why do we learn about weather? Because everything in our lives depends on the weather. Whatever you want to do, what you want to eat, what you drink, what to wear, and where to go, all these things depend on the weather. So weather controls our lives and affects everything in our lives. So how can weather controls what we eat and what we drink? As you can see, here we have different types of foods and drinks. In the left hand, you can see steamy food or hot food like soup, chicken, coffee, and so on. So this type of food and drinks, we eat them and we drink them when the weather is hot, so they help in feeling warmer. When you drink this type of drinks and you eat these types of food, you feel warmer, so you can eat and drink these things when the weather is cold. Okay, in the right hand you can see icy food and icy drinks. You can see also vegetables and fruits, so they help in when you feel hot, you can eat and drink these things, so you feel fresher and cooler. Okay, so this is how weather can control what we eat and what we drink. The second thing is weather can control what we wear. The clothes that we wear are controlled by the weather. So as you see here, we have different type of clothes. You can see lightweight clothes. We wear these clothes when the weather is hot, and here we have heavy clothes or heavy clothes, and we wear them when the weather is cold. Okay, So they prevent us from the cold and they protect our bodies. This how can weather control what we wear. Let's see how weather can control what we do. Everything we do is controlled by the weather. Let's start with leisure activities. Leisure activities are the activities that we do when we are free and we want to enjoy our time, we want to have fun. So we do these leisure activities, okay? We do them in the free time. So you can see here in this picture, these people are swimming. So for the swimming, the best weather is the sunny weather. So if you are thinking about the swimming, so sunny weather is the best, okay? Here you can see these kids are skiing or they are skating. Skiing and skating needs a snowy weather, okay? See, they are using the skating board and they are skiing in the snow. So this needs a snowy weather, okay? If you are enjoying flying kites like this, kites need wind. So windy weather is the best for flying kites. See, because winds help the kites to move. So what we do is affected by the weather, and to have a very good time to enjoy practice your hobby or to enjoy your leisure activity, you need to know the weather first. What if you are traveling outside? You have a holiday and you want to travel. Also, you'll think about the weather because this will help you to decide which country will you go to. So for swimming, you need sunny weather, and there are many countries that have sunny weather like the Middle East countries, the Indian islands like in the West India. There are many islands that are good for swimming, and also the countries that are near to Mediterranean Sea are good for the swimming because they are sunny. If you love to ski, so North America and Europe will be the best because they are snowy and you can ski there. So weather controls your holiday, but if you want just to travel to see the old buildings, to have photos and to see the museum and these things, this is the only case when the weather doesn't matter. See, you can travel to Paris to see the Marklands there, and you can travel to America if you like Disney. So in this case, you don't want to know about the weather because it doesn't matter, okay? Last thing for today is seasons. You know the 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter, and autumn. Each season has its usual weather, like spring is warm, summer is hot, winter is cold, and autumn is cool. So each season of these 4 seasons has its own usual weather, and here you can see the relationship between the seasons and the weather. Summer is hot, spring is warm, autumn is cool, and winter is cold. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.